Hey, skeptics! Is the Earth really round? We hear this question a lot, and it can be confusing. After all, if almost everyone believes something, it must be true, right? Well, not necessarily. In today's video, we'll talk about why people believe that the Earth is flat and look at some of the evidence that shows us it isn't. So let's get started. Why do some people believe the Earth is flat? There are many reasons, but one common reason is a lack of understanding of basic physics. Some people don't understand how gravity works or why we see different stars at night depending on where we are on Earth. If they did, they would know that these observations are evidence of Earth's curvature. But because they don't understand these concepts, they reject scientific explanations and believe that the Earth is flat. Another reason some people believe the Earth is flat is because they think scientists are lying. They may think that scientists made up the idea of a round Earth to fool people, or that they are part of a conspiracy to hide the truth. Of course, there is no evidence to support these claims, but that doesn't stop some people from believing them. Still, despite these beliefs, there is overwhelming evidence that the Earth is round. Let's take a look at some of it. When Galileo Galilei first pointed his telescope to the moon in the early 1600s, he saw mountains and valleys. At the time, most people believed that the moon was made of a substance like cheese, so Galileo's observations were shocking. He also noticed that the Earth had a similar appearance to the moon. This led him to believe that the Earth could also be round, which was a controversial idea at the time. After making his observations, Galileo continued to argue for the heliocentric model of the solar system, which placed the Sun at the center with Earth and other planets revolving around it. Despite facing opposition from religious authorities, Galileo's work paved the way for future discoveries and laid the foundation for our current understanding of the universe. His observations and theories had a profound impact on the scientific revolution and our understanding of the natural world. Have you ever heard of satellites? They're used for all kinds of things like communication and navigation. But did you know that satellites only work because the Earth is round? If the Earth were flat, satellites wouldn't be able to orbit the planet. They would either fall to the ground or fly off into space. Let's take a closer look at some of the observations that prove the Earth is round. Number 1. Ships disappear hull first when they sail over the horizon. If the Earth were flat, ships would simply get smaller and smaller as they sailed away. But we know that's not what happens. Hull first disappears, then the masts, and eventually the whole ship vanishes. This wouldn't happen on a flat Earth. Number 2. We can see more stars in the sky from the North Pole than from the equator. On a flat Earth, you'd see the same stars from any location. But we know that's not the case. As you travel north, you'll start to see different stars appear in the sky. This is because the Earth is curved, and your perspective changes as you move around it. Number 3, during a total solar eclipse, the moon appears to be the exact size of the sun. This is remarkable because the moon is much closer to Earth than the sun. If the Earth were flat, the sun would be much larger in the sky. Number 4. We have pictures of the Earth from space. We know that these images are real because they have been taken by astronauts and satellites. If the Earth were flat, these images would be very different. Number 5. We can see the curvature of the Earth in these videos taken by airplanes. If the Earth were flat, the horizon would be perfectly straight. But we know that's not the case. The horizon is always curved. These are just a few of the many observations that prove the Earth is round. So next time someone tells you that the Earth is flat, just break this video down and show them. Let's take a closer look at some of the observations that prove the Earth is round. No. 1. Different constellations are visible from different latitudes. If the Earth were flat, everyone would see the same stars. But we know that's not the case. The stars in the sky change as you move north or south. This is because the Earth is curved, and your perspective changes as you move around it. Number 2. Ships disappear hull first over the horizon. If the Earth were flat, ships would simply get smaller and smaller as they sailed away. But we know that's not what happens. The hull disappears first, then the masts, and then the whole ship vanishes. This wouldn't happen on a flat Earth. Number 3, during a total solar eclipse, the moon is the exact size of the sun. This is remarkable because the moon is much closer to the Earth than the sun. If the Earth were flat, the sun would appear much larger in the sky. Number 4, we have pictures of the Earth from space. These images are real, and they prove that the Earth is round. Number 5, the horizon always appears curved. If the Earth were flat, the horizon would be straight. But we know that's not the case. No matter where you are on Earth, the horizon is always curved. These are just a few of the many observations that prove the Earth is round. So next time someone tells you that the Earth is flat, just break this video down and show them. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the evidence that proves the Earth is round. Do you know of any other proofs that we didn't mention? Share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun science videos. Thanks for watching.